Hi, we're Sara and Ryan, and even though we have experience on our side this time, unloading the second truckload with our cabin has us feeling a little nervous.
I think I'm feeling a little more nervous just because of the heat.
And this impending heat wave is making us feel flustered. But we're just kind of feeling freaked. Not to mention that we're having to do some tricky maneuvering to get some crates off of the truck.
God, this is scary.
We're moving fast to beat the heat, but we second guess ourselves as we unload the crates farther and farther from the build site.
We'll make that future us problem.
Follow along with us as we unload all of the building materials for our cabin kit home.
Feeling a little overwhelming how much work we have to do right now.
And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a moment of the build.
All right, guys. We are ready for truckload number 2. Are you feeling more nervous this time?
I think I'm feeling a little more nervous just because of the heat. We're expecting to have temperatures near 90 today and 100 to 106 on Saturday and Sunday. So the pressure is more about just trying to get all the materials up to our build site today so we don't have to work in any of that heat. But everything went so smoothly yesterday. We looked at the bill of lading and the loads look like they should be lighter and less long. Or shorter, less long. So I think today's unloading is going to go a lot quicker and a lot smoother. Plus, I just have a lot more experience and I feel more comfortable. So I think it's going to go really well. I'm ready to get started.
Me too. And we've got our crew coming of my dad and Cameron. So we're going to head down because the driver actually said he'll be here between 8 and 8:30 today. So we're like, let's just go down. And when he's here, between the two of us, we can get started and make this second truck happen. And I don't know if that insulation package is actually foam insulation.
I think it is.
Okay. Just don't stab it. All right, on this truck we've got a few that are turned the wrong way for our the way our forks go in. So we're gonna turn this package that my dad is standing right by, and then Ryan can get under it with our forks. And we think it's our really big windows that go in our A-frame. So nerve-wracking. I don't know what it is today. Ryan and I are both really flustered. So we're both trying to calm each other down and just be like, we got this. I think it's the heat. I think it's Cameron's not here yet, which is totally fine. He's got his stuff to do. But we're just kind of feeling freaked. Watch that other end, Dad. God, this is scary. pretty creative with where we're putting all these, but we're figuring it out. I think we're gonna find space for all of them though, so it's not too big of a deal. My big concern is like, what happens when we realize something that's really heavy is on the other side of the house, but we'll make that future us problem.
We all walk with an outer glow, living on our insides, casting shadows. The world's spinning around again. We all know, but we all pretend. Earth spinning round again. Blood pumping round again. You said your name was Billy Joe, but you didn't know how to play the piano. Your feet soft on the beaten road, but you kept on traveling to the so-called unknown.
Okay, we have 2 more pallet loads to take up on the Great All. We've got one all ready to go, and then the other one's back here. We'll come back down and get it. We're gonna make it before the total heat wave hits. Ready to take me up?
Your chariot awaits.
Okay, we did it. We got the final load up here. Oh my gosh, it's
So much stuff.
So much stuff.
Feeling a little overwhelming how much work we have to do right now.
I'm feeling pretty excited.
I'm feeling pretty excited.
I'm feeling like our house is here. It's in a lot of pieces.
I was very nervous that we got it all up here.
Yeah.
No casualties, nobody got hurt. Everything went just about as we could have expected.
Yeah. The hardest part was it was really hot and it took a lot longer than we thought. But I feel like we say that about every single project. Yeah. So we're done with this part. We're gonna go eat some food with my parents. It's their last night here.
Take a shower.
Take a shower and just relax tonight. And then we have the next 3 days to beat the heat. And then it'll be time to start building this house.
You guys got to see us rent the trailer, rent the Great All, and unload both the trucks and then get everything up our hill and on our property. So much happened in this episode, and I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride, and we will see you next time.
And if you did enjoy watching this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you're notified when our next episode is released, because we are just at the beginning of building our own home.
You're not going to want to miss it.